Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in algebra. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, sum of the cubes of two natural numbers is given. That is a cube plus b cube is 9728. And sum of the two natural numbers a plus b is given. And our question is a cube minus b cube. See friends, a cube plus b cube. The factors of a cube plus b cube, we know a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. This is equal to 9728. Friends, a plus b is equal to 32. So a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus ab is equal to 9728 by 32. By 32, that is equal to 32 3s 96. 1 remains. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 8, 32 4s. Friends, a square plus b square minus ab is equal to 304. Friends, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So, a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus ab minus 3ab is equal to 304. Friends, a plus b whole square, a plus b 32, 32 square 1024. 3ab is equal to 1024 minus 304. 1024 minus 304, that is equal to 720. So friends, ab is equal to 324. ab 240 friends. ab 240, a plus b 32. a plus b 32. So sum 32, product 240. So the pair is 20, 12. 20, 12. Friends, we want the positive difference of a cube and b cube. So let us take a 20, b 12. So a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to 20 cube minus 12 cube. That is equal to 8000 minus 1728. 12 cube 1728 friends. So 72 to 6. 6272 friends. Thank you.